Welcome to my grandma's kitchen. Today we are going to prepare Ivy Gourd steam cooked weight loss recipe, also known as Tindora or Tendli. First, take half kg tendli, snip both the ends, cut into 4 pieces at equal length and keep it ready. Now, chop 2 medium-sized onions, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon turmeric, 3 tablespoons grated coconut and 3 chilies. Now take a vessel, add half kg tendlis, add chilies, add onions, add salt, add turmeric, add grated coconut. And now add half glass of water. Cover it with lid, let it steam for around 10 minutes. Keep it on a medium flame if on gas stove. After 10 minutes, stir it well. If it is still raw, keep it for more 5 minutes. And now your dish is ready, a healthy weight loss recipe which you can have for meal, dinner or breakfast. I hope so you like this video. If you like, do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.